to be here tonight. And partner, moving forward, we just wanted to remind all the previous winners from the past weeks that they will have a general rehearsal on November 29, 1 p.m.
Yes po, Friday po yan. Dito po magaganap, 1 p.m. Kung wala po kayo sa eksaktong oras, tanggal na daw po kayo.
Yes, that's how the management manage all our talent. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, allow us to introduce our panel of judges. Our first judge is a teacher 3 at Makamot Elementary School. Graduated a Bachelor in Elementary Education, major in MAPI at the University of Rizal System, Morong. Graduated Master of Arts in Education, major in Education Management at Tomas Claudio College. Taking up Doctor of Education at the National Teachers College and a former member of LHH Shore. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, a round of applause to John Paul Capistrano.
And our second judge for tonight's competition, graduated Bachelor in Elementary Education, major in Music Arts, NPE at URS Morong. Graduated in Master of Arts in Educational Management at Luna College, Tayug, Pangasinan. President Association of Sports Coordinators in Division of Rizal, ASCORD. President Binangonan 1 Teachers Club. President Encargados de Binangonan. President Karukaruhan de Binangonan. Municipal Sports Coordinator. Municipal Scouting Coordinator, presenting Mr. John Pierre R. Betali.
And to complete our panel of judges, our third judge is a current public school teacher, grade 3 leader, chairman at Binangonan Elementary School, special program in the arts facilitator, complete academic requirements in Master of Arts in Teaching, Mathematics at the University of Rizal System, Morong, Rizal. Asia's multi-awarded, remarkable professional teacher and most inspiring international educator of the year. Ranked 3 international most outstanding elementary teacher, academic development for global leadership in education, Philippines. International most outstanding mathematics teacher and academic development for global leadership in education. Most outstanding teacher of the year 2023, Gawad Educator, Graduate School, University of Rizal System. Assistant Coordinator, External of Liturgical Music Ministry of Santa Ursula Parish. Ladies and gentlemen, our third judge, a round of applause to John Jerry Rivera.
And of course, partner, pasalamatan natin ang mga pumapaloob dito sa ating Binangonan Got Talent Season 3. Unahin na po natin sa listahan. Vice Mayor Boyet Inares.
And we want to say also thank you to Miss Ria Inares.
Boyet Inares Ladies Movement.
The BYLM officers and members.
Page R Events and Management.
Pamahalang bayan ng Binangonan for giving us support. Use our venue. Salamat din po sa Binangonan Plaza Caretakers.
Little China Restaurant Binangonan, located inside BRCC Batingan, Binangonan, Rizal.
And of course, our beautiful lights and sounds, the Benmar Electronics.
Engineer Arvin, Vilma, Marvin, and company. And of course, our judges for this evening. Magandang gabi at maraming salamat po.
Yes, partner. And we also want to say thank you to our official photographer tonight, JB Sikenya, and our floor director, Miss Baba Virgin, and our oval director, Kagawad Noel D.S. Oliva.
Yes, kasama rin po natin ang napakagaling na photographer ng bayan, Mr. Benji De La Rosa.
Maraming salamat again. So, this time around, partner, wag na natin patagalin pa.
Yes, simulan na po natin ang tagisan ng mga talento dito sa Rizal. Ito na po ang ating angking mga talentado ng ating bayan.
Yes, partner, and our first contender for our singing all the way from Barangay Batingan, to Say Something by Casey Tandingan. Ladies and gentlemen, our contender number 1, Mercy Chloe Ramento.
Palakpakan po natin.
Say something, I've given up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'm feeling so small. It was all for my head. I know nothing at all. And I will stumble and fall. I'm still learning to love, just starting to grow. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. I'm sorry I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I wanna follow to you. Say something, I'm giving up, 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 giving up on you. Yeah. Say something, I'm
Ayan, maraming salamat, young lady.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful first contestant. Talaga namang I am sure ng ating judges ay mahihirapan. Una pa lamang yan. But then partner, let's
And
proceed.
ngayon, ang ating hinamon from Barangay Kinagatan, singing Kahit Isang Saglit by Martin Rivera. Please welcome Mr. Benedicto Nido.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Ngayong lumisan ka sa buhay ko, kung kailan sumikat ang araw at lumikaya ang aking mundo, paano ng mga bukas ko ngayon wala ka na sa piling ko? Paano mga pangarap, mga pangako sa bawat isa? Sana ika'y muling makita ko, damhin ang tibok ng puso mo. Sana'y yakapin mo ako muli, kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit, mayakap ka. Ang puso ko ito ngayon wala ka na sa piling ko. Paano mga pangarap, mga pangako sa bawat isa? Sana ng puso mo. Sana'y yakapin mo akong muli, kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit. Mayakap ka. Mayakap ka. Kahit isang saglit, mayakap ka.
There you are, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Benedicto Nido.
Iba ang hagod ni tatay.
Talaga namang ang talbog ng vibrato ni Sir. Pero napakagaling ni Sir naman talaga ang mga singers. Pangalawa pa lang yan, partner. Dire-diretso na tayo sa ating third contender. All the way from Barangay Bilibiran to sing Till I Met You. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Jerlyn Feliciano.
Heto na siya.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through
Every word that
you so much, Miss Jorlyn. Ang daming hakot na pala from Barangay Bilibiran. Tama po ba?
Yes,
Ayan, partner.
So, thank you to our contender number 3 at ang naming ang pala. And shout out to the Lobarbia family and Plegaria family. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
And this time, partner, dire-diretso na po tayo sa tagisan ng pag-awit. Ito na ang hinamon from Barangay Libid, singing Hanggang by Wency Cornejo. Please welcome Mr. Federico Apesionado.
Kilala ko yan.
Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Ilang ulit mo nang itinatanong sa'kin kung hanggang saan, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking pagmamahal, hanggang may hibig pa akong naririnig dito sa aking daigdig, hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang ang diwa ko'y tanging sa'yo laan, mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y hanggang walang hanggan, tangi ikaw lamang. Hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig, hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Huwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawa magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling at nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang may puso akong marunong magmahal na ang sinisigaw ay lagi ng ikaw. Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan kitang mahal, hanggang ang buhay ko'y kulit ng may kapal. Wag mo sanang isipin ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw. Tanging ikaw hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw ay tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw, tanging ikaw.
Ladies and gentlemen, our contender, Mr. Mar Apasionado.
Partner, parang kilala ko siya.
Yes, at walang kupas naman talagang
Oo, parang
the
nakikita
long
ko na
range.
siya eh.
Oo, nakikita ko rin yan sa
Hindi
panagin.
ko lang matandaan, pero parang familiar siya sa akin.
Bata pa ako, nakikita ko na yan, kumakanta na
Oo,
yan.
kasi hindi pa ako nag-iintablado, nakikita ko na siya.
Thank you so much once again. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, we will proceed to our fifth contender, all the way from Barangay Libid to sing Gaano Ko Ikaw Kamahal by Celeste Legaspi. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Trent Harvey Ballesteros.
Ang pinakabata yata ngayong gabi.
Ang hiling sa Diyos na may gawa, ape.
Ikaw lamang ang aking ibigin, magpakailanman.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our contender number 5.
Ang cute ng bata pag kumakanta.
Napaka-angelic voice. Para ako nasa loob ng kuweba.
Kaya nga, ang hirap kalaban pag bagets.
Yes.
And this time, to complete our singers for tonight's event.
Yes.
From Barangay Mahabang Parang to sing Ikaw Lang Ang Mamahalin by Lani Misalucha. Please welcome Ishi May Mendoza.
Hanggat may umaga pa magkulang man sa atin itong sandali. Alam ko na tayo'y makikitang muli hanggat may umaga pa na harapin. Ikaw lang ang puso'y lumaban man, walang makagawa. Saan ka, kailan ka muling mahahagan? Hanggang magkulang man sa atin itong sandali. Alam ko
There you have, ladies and gentlemen, our last contender for our singing contest.
Grabe sa salida, partner.
Iba yan. Ten, 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 ten.
Yes, ang balikat talaga. Nilamon ng balikat ko.
Papasok na dapat ako, hindi pa pala tapos. Pero then again, palakpakan naman natin ang ating 6 contenders for our singing. And before we proceed to our dance contest proper, we are requesting to our performers to be ready. And partner, I wanted to have this time to share the story when we started the Binangonan Got Talent. So allow us to give you a brief story of this competition. Taong 2007, nagsimulang magbigay ng mga kasiyahan para sa taga Binangonan. Ito ay ang Biyernes Todo Saya na nagdudulot ng kasiglahan para sa buong linggo ng pagtatrabaho. Sa pagdating ng Biyernes ay may aabangan na papanoorin para makapagbigay sigla at mabigyan ng pagkakataon na makatanggap ng biyaya ang ating mamamayan. Napakaloob sa programang ito ay ang ating bersyon ng Pera o Bayong, Deal or No Deal at iba pa. At ang mga nagiging kalahok dito ay iba't ibang sektor ng ating lipunan tulad ng senior citizen, tricycle drivers, at marami pang iba. At pagkalipas ng taon, binigyang daan ang pagtuklas ng galing at husay ng mga kabataan na taga Binangonan sa larangan ng pagsayaw at pag-awit. Ito ay tinawag na Binangonan Talent Search. Nagkaroon ng buwanang kompetisyon at sadyang pinili ang tunay na katangi-tangi at pinakamagaling sa kanilang mga larangan. Pagkalipas ng 12 buwan ay nagkaroon ng grand finale na kung saan ang lahat ng nagwagi ay muling maglalaban-laban para hirangin ang kauna-unahang natatanging mananayaw at mga awit na may mga napiling institusyon na mababahaginan ng kanilang mapapanalunan.
Tunay na ang mga taga-Binangonan ay may angking galing na siyang nagbibigay karangalan hindi lamang sa ating lalawigan, kundi sa buong bansa at maging sa buong mundo. Sa tagumpay ng BTS ay nailunsad kasunod ang School Edition kung saan nagtagisan ng mga estudyante mula sa pampubliko at pribadong eskwelahan sa ating bayan. Tagisan ng talino at talento kung saan ang nagbigay ng pagkakataon ang mga estudyante na maipamalas ang kanilang husay at galing sa akademya at talento na ngayon ay tatawagin nating Binangonan Got Talent.
There you have it, and that's the story behind how and when we started this talent search. So isang malakas na palakpakan naman po for the BYLM. And for the management of Binangonan Got Talent.
Deserve nila yan, partner.
Yes.
Eto na, partner. Hutunghayan na natin ang bakbakan sa sayawan ngayong gabi.
Yes, at hindi natin na patatagalin pa. Ladies and gentlemen, our first contender for our group dance, all the way from Barangay Tagpos. A round of applause to Let Monster! Let's go.
My
you try to get in again. We are so far from you. If you burn my baby down the lum, cause my heart if you're creeping, just don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna took me into the city to see a marching band. When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. Never break me! Obsequious.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our group
Una
dancers.
pa lang yan, partner. Grabe sa energy.
Ang lakas.
Ayan.
Ang lakas. Una pa lang yan, ladies and gentlemen.
Una pa lang po yan sa ating mga selection committee.
Yes.
Our first dance group po yan. Grabe sa energy, partner.
Oo, ang lakas. And partner, before we move forward to our second group dancer, we just want to remind our singers that our winner for this week elimination round is 3 singers, and for our dancers, the winner will be 1.
Okay, yan. Malinaw na malinaw po. At sa lahat po ng tatlong mananalo ngayong gabi, babalik po kayo sa elimination round na meron po tayong practice.
Yes.
Sa November 29, Friday, 1 p.m. Dito po yan mangyayari sa Town Plaza.
Yes. And partner, wag na natin, patuloy natin painitin ang gabi nito.
Tuloy-tuloy na natin ang hatawan from Saint Monique, Lil Swan!
Kayo at ako ay kayo manggi. Kayo at ako ay kayo manggi. Kayo at ako ay kayo manggi. Itaas mga kamay, sila yung kayo at ako ay kung kaya ko ay kaya nyo, tayo at tayo sa
yeah, keep it in my milk, let it land. Peace up, A-Town down. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a jazzy fizzle.
Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. My God, so this all night. Try to admit it's just a bit fine. You know it, and I can see. Don't we see 1, 2, step? I know you know 1, 2, step. Everybody, by the way you want. Stop it, everybody get off the floor. The club is jumping now, so get up.
4, 3, 2, 1. Let them know you what you will let me know. Let's get it on. N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T shit hustler. In the name of Jesus, amen. Okay, yeah. Tap the flag and let the city bust, bust. Guns too strong. Where the hood at?
Ayon, the Lil's Walk from St. Monique.
Yes, partner. There you have it, our group dancer number 2.
Parang finals na, partner.
Yes, partner. Talaga naman titindi ng mga dance moves, variety of dance ang ating mga singer. Dancer, sorry.
At saka
Dire-diretso na
costume
tayo.
ng dalawang yun. Yung number 1 at saka yung number 2. Grabe sa costume, ha?
Oo, libang na libang ako, partner. So this time around, our third dancer tonight, all the way from Barangay Libid, Poison Republic.
control, man.
God show me the way because the devil's trying to break me down. Yeah. Well, if this take away from my spins, which will probably take away from my ends, then I hope it take away from my sins and bring the day that I'm dreaming about. Next time I'm in the club, everybody screaming out. God show me the way because the devil's trying to break me down. The only thing that I pray is that my feet don't fail me now.
What are you?
Reporting from another world. Magazine full of bullets, you can be my cover girl. Bless got the weed, rolled it thicker than a southern girl. Strong arm rap like a nigga did 100 curls. Rockstar B.I. Check out how we rock. And if this ain't hip hop, it must be me. I'm falling with my blood.
Okay, I'm young and I'm tatted. I get them bucks like an addict. Rockin' this Christian Dior. I spend so much on my fabric. I got a wifey at home, and what she wants, she can have it. And she in problem, better get it. Then I won't be here tomorrow, mama.
Running with them lions, Reggie pushing in the jungle.
But this one killer, she say, I go hard, hey, what you thinking? I go hard, and go hard. Yeah, you stinking, what you thinking?
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our last group dancer for tonight. Ayan.
Partner, parang gusto
Ito
ko
pa,
yung sa last part nila. Ako ang iikot nila dapat doon.
Oo, yung mga barya nila.
Ayan, may papiso pa sila kuya.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 3 group dancers for tonight's elimination. And partner, while our judges is completing their score and our tabulator is calculating our winners for tonight, again, we want to say thank you to our sponsors and supporters for the Binangonan Got Talent Season 3.
Yes, maraming salamat, Vice Mayor Boyet Inares.
We also want to say thank you to Miss Rhea Inares,
Boyet Inares Ladies Movement,
the BYLM officer.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
Mr. Mar Apasionado, all the way from Libid, Binaon Rizal. And second to our top 3, you are part of it, all the way from Barangay Bilibiran, Zerlin Feliciano. And to complete our top 3 for our singers, mula sa Barangay Batingan, Mercy Chloe Ramenso.
Ayan, ganda sa number 1.
Congratulations to our 3 winners for this week's elimination.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
So,
may wildcard pa tayo, guys.
And to our winners, please proceed to the table of Tita Noel for you to right away receive your prize for this week's elimination. And this time, partner, tawagin natin ang ating 3 group dancers.
Akyat na po tayo dito sa center stage.
Yes.
For our announcement kung sino ang papasok sa ating Grand Finals.
Yes, and
na magaganap po yan sa November 30.
Yes, so calling Let Monster, Lil Swag, and Poison Republic.
Reminders lang po sa lahat po ng nabanggit na winners. Meron po tayong general practice November 29, 1 p.m. dito po sa Town Plaza.
Yes. And of course, our grand finals is on November 30. So, ayan ang pinakaabangan ng lahat. And the grand winner of our group dance contest can receive 40,000 pesos. And
para sa ating singing contest, you will receive 20,000 pesos.
That is definitely brought to you by the BYLM Binangonan Got Talent Season 3. So
at syempre naman, partner,
yes,
pakaswertein pa tayo, madagdagan pa yan.
Definitely. And this time, partner, I think our dancers is ready.
Ang Lil Swag po, nasa na?
Ayan.
Lil Swag, nasan po?
Ayun, ang ating mga taga St. Monique. So again, the Binangonan Got Talent is only for Binangonan residents. So if ever that you wanted to be part for the next season, or I mean next elimination, you can visit the office of BYLM and you can let them know and for you to be scheduled for your performance. And again, to our sirs, judges, maraming salamat po. And we hope to see you again to the next week elimination round. Are we ready, partner?
Okay. Garnering an average scores of 91.33. So, dikit-dikit po talagang score ngayong gabi dahil ang gagaling nyo. Congratulations sa inyong tatlong grupo. And the winner is Group number 1!
Let Monsters! Congratulations, guys! As you will proceed to our grand finals on November 30. At sa inyo pong lahat, maraming salamat for bracing this night. This is Kenneth!
And this is Dawn saying God bless everyone!
Good night!
With a dream in my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood